Alright, the battery in my Touraeg has died. I had a dead battery tender on it for a while thinking it had a slow drain, but it's just finally dead. I got a battery on it just to get into it. We're going to change the battery. First thing you do is you slide the seat all the way back and tip it up. This just snaps in, comes off. You see these two bolts? They're, I believe they're 10 millimeter. Let's see. Yeah, they're 10 millimeter. 4 square is what they call it. Alright, I'll be back. Gotta go get a ratchet. Okay, got them broken loose. Spin them loose, spin them out. I mean, pull them out with your fingers if you can get them. Gotta get this one. I'll get it here in a second. And then we'll get this trim out of the way. And then I'll be back with you in a second. Alright, I got that one out. We'll go get the back. Do the same as you did for the front. Okay. Give me the ratchet. And this, and we'll go to the back. Maybe. My wife's got so much junk in this car. Alright, hold on. If you lift the seat up and go all the way forward with it, you see how the bolts just stick right out at you. Let's see if this will get them out. It probably won't if it didn't get the fronts. Well, it did. Okay. Now, let's go back up front with my tools. And then we'll move that seat to the back. I know this is boring. This trim got knocked off. It gets knocked off all the time, actually. Let me get that back on, I'll be back. Alright, that's back on. It just grabs the rubber right here, like this does. Okay. Now the seat is just sitting here, and there's the battery. So we pick the seat up and get it out of the way, because you can't take it out because the seat belt's on. So let me get back there, get the seat moved out of the way, and then we'll take the bracket out. And then this big thing here comes out. And then we will get the battery out. Okay, see how I got the seat just shoved in the back? And then we'll move it to get that bolt over there. There's a bolt right there. I've already taken that one out. There's another one over there. And then this bracket will come out. Okay, I'll get them bolts out and we'll show you. Alright, there's the bracket. Clip on the top there, clip there, clip there, and one in the back. Get the things off the top of the battery box. Get the battery box out. It's a 2-year-old battery. I wonder why it's dead. It shouldn't be. Let me get my tester and test it. Take the juice off of it. So it's got 4 volts in it, which ain't very good. Damn, $200 battery too. So we'll have to see if it's got any kind of warranty. So we will go and get a couple tools and get this big old battery out. We'll get back with you. Alright, it automatically kicks my battery charger off. I'll go ahead and show you here real quick. Nobody questions my actions and how YouTube is. Okay? There it is. Won't even take a charge. Battery's bad. It's 2 years old. We'll take it to Otto's Walmart, see if they'll take it back. Alright, we ran to the store. They gave us a freebie. Freebie, I love freebies. Didn't pay zip. not a damn dime. So we'll go ahead and get this thing stuffed in the hole. Get it tightened down. That saved me 140 bucks. And then we'll go from there. Alright, the battery's all in. Gave me the key back. It's a good sign. Shows me the hood open and the door is open. That's a good sign. Let me actually go plug in my battery tender, because I'll still leave it plugged in. It says low 90%, so it just needs a little tending, that's all. So we'll go ahead and get the battery lid plugged on, and it just has these little snaps on it. Okay, and we'll get back. Okay, battery box lid is on. Let's see about this. Okay, there's this thing here. Bolt started. And you can tell they're the ones that go in the back because they're silver. Alright, let me get the impact on them. There's that cage in, and I did snug those bolts up with a ratchet. Now we're going to go ahead and pull the seat in place, and it's got these guide pins to get it kind of right where you want it. And if you notice, I hadn't even taken the mud flaps out, or the floor mats. So we'll get the seat in place and almost be done with this job. Here we go. We got all the trim in, the plastic pieces under the floor mats, and we're done. We'll let it charge up, and she can take it to work tomorrow. She said she was missing her Touraeg, so I had to get a battery. Just luckily it didn't cost me 140 bucks, so